Hi, I'm Jonathan Cooper, the new superintendent here at Mason City Schools. I'm so excited to welcome back our students on Tuesday, August 14th. There are a couple questions that have come up, and I want to just go over a few resources that are available to parents to answer some of those questions. One question is, what grade levels are housed in each of our buildings this year? Since we are in a year of transition, I thought it would be good to go over that. At our MECC campus, we have preschool through second grade students at MEC. At the Western Row building this year only, we will have third grade and fourth grade. At the MI campus, we will have grades 5 through 7 and half of grade 8. At our high school, we will have half of grade 8 and all grades 9 through 12. Another common question that's coming up is what times do each of the buildings start? So I thought I would review the start times so that we can understand what the start time is in each building and each grade level. So if we start at Mason Early Childhood Center, we have start times at 9:10 a.m. for grades 1 through 2 and also AM kindergarten and AM preschool. The AM kindergarten and AM preschool dismiss at 11:55 a.m. and then the PM kindergarten and PM preschool start at 12:55 and dismiss at 3:40. That's grades preschool through second grade. As we move into Western Row, so if you look at the Western Row campus, it's actually hosting grades 3 and grades 4. Now I'll make a quick note here that grades 4 through 6 are still considered Mason Intermediate students. However, grade 4 will be housed in the Western Row campus. So if we review the start times for those, grade 3 at Western Row will begin at 9:10 a.m. and dismiss at 3:45 p.m. Grade 4, again, is a Mason Intermediate student, but it housed at Western Row campus. Will be starting at 8:15 and ending at 3 o'clock p.m. As you move into Mason Intermediate campus, we are looking at grades 5 and 6 starting at 8:15 and ending at 3 o'clock. Again, the same time that the 4th grade is starting, so are 5th and 6th grade, because they're Mason Intermediate students on 2 different campuses. As we move into the Mason Middle School as we know it, as you've driven by on Tylersville, is closed this year for renovation. So the Mason Middle School students are all housed for 7th and half of 8th grade at the formerly known Mason Intermediate 4-5 side. So as you're looking at the start time, 7:15 to 2:15 are going to be the common start times for all Mason Middle School students. All grade 7 and half of grade 8 will be housed here. What we're calling Mason Middle School is formerly known as the Mason Intermediate 4-5 side. As we move into the high school, we can see the rest of our 8th grade students are going to be starting at the middle school time at the 7:15 a.m. time, along with our 9 through 12 students, the 7:15 a.m. time, and dismissing at 2:15. The middle school students that are attending our high school campus will be housed in Pod C, floor 3. So just so you know the location. Start times will be the same. So this is a document that walks you through our start times and our locations. There are several other helpful documents that are located on our website, masonohioschools.com. If you click on the Start of School Headquarters, that will give you more information and hopefully answer a lot of your questions. If there are other questions you have, please reach out to us and so that we can help you have a successful start of the school year. And we look forward to seeing all the students on Tuesday, August 14th.